Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create TikTok videos using PixVerse. So I want you to head over and open or launch your uh, best browser, and after that I just want to go on the search bar on the top and type pixverse.ai. So right here I want to make sure that you signed in, and after that I just want to go and choose the best template that you want it to be on your video, or the template is just like examples. So for example, you can watch the template. If you want your video to be generated just like that, you can choose that template and you will get the idea of this video. Alright, for us we'll go into the traditional way into create, and right here as you can see we will go into this menu right here, and we will choose the options that we will like to be on our TikTok video. Alright, so let's go into duration. I want it to be 8 seconds, and right here as you can see I can't choose the resolution that I want the last one. So for you guys I advise you to get the subscription so you can use the best resolution right here. Alright, so for example, right here the ratio is the most important thing of on the TikTok videos. I advise you to go with 2.4, that one. And right here I want to go to auto speech, and you can type right here what the character on your picture will say on the video. So after that you will go into the style. So for me I want the video to look like anime. Alright, and I want the smooth motion right here. And okay, so these options are not allowed for me because I don't get the subscription. Alright, so after that I want just to go and upload that picture that I want it to be on your video. And yeah, after all I just want you to make sure that you got this resolution, and also you can use this one, but the best one for all is 2.4. Alright, right here you can describe the contents you want to create. Like I already showed you how you can do that. You need to type the details. Alright, and after uploading your picture just from your files, okay, let's try. I click on it and then I click on show all files. I will just choose that one. Alright, and alright, so we need to wait a little bit, and after that I will fat girl, for example, eight ice cream uh, looking from the window and fall in love with a guy. Alright, just for example, and we can also alright, so that's enough. And then you will just go into create. So once you will get the video uploaded or downloaded to your device, you just need to head over into TikTok. Alright, and yeah, sign in on your TikTok of course, and then go into this plus button or plus icon, which is upload. Alright, and right here you can just go into select a video and you can bring it from your files, and yeah, you can post it on your TikTok. So it's so easy. Thank you for watching and goodbye.